All right, here's a look at those peak temperatures that we got to today, and Hutch's forecast of 80. Well, let's just say I blew it. 69 degrees is all we've had so far. We have a shot at those low 70s. And we had a cool front moving through, and then all this haze had more of an impact on our temperatures than I anticipated. It did get down, or up, I should say, a little warmer down in our southern counties, and the cold fronts moved through. Now, here's all the smoke. This forecast model is taking a look at the depth in the layer above us of smoke particulate matter. Where you see the yellows and oranges here, that's heavier smoke. And it's right over the I-94 corridor. That's tonight. Now, as we set things into motion, a cool front pushes all of this south, and by tomorrow morning, we'll notice some improvement here across the Red River Valley of Minnesota and North Dakota. And by tomorrow afternoon, our northern Minnesota counties should be clear of the smoke. There still could be a little bit more of that content down to the south and west of our area. So if you're in Ellendale, Oaks, or that area, you could see a few more particles above you, but not like today. All of us should see improvement. Temperatures still in the 60s at Hector. We're in the 70s though in Moorhead. The wind right now is calm in the FM area. As we look up to the north, we have some 60s up there, and it's mid 60s in the Lake of the Woods area as well as Cavalier. Look at Devil's Lake, 63 degrees there, close to 80 for the Sisseton area. And here's a look at the satellite. We do have some clouds streaming overhead, but most of what we're seeing above us today is that thick layer of smoke from the fires out west in Oregon, in Colorado, in California, and beyond. A lot of smoke in our atmosphere. As we take a look, and here's an update on Hurricane Sally, just watch. No movement today, just sitting in the same spot for the most part, dumping buckets of rain on the Gulf Coast states there near the Alabama and Mississippi border. It has weakened wind-wise, but the impact because of this slow movement is going to be felt in flooding rains. 1 to 2 feet of rainfall expected from Sally, currently gusts to 100 miles per hour. For us tonight, the cool front continues to push south. That's what's going to help clear things up, but our wind will increase as we go through the overnight. So get out and enjoy the evening. It should be fairly quiet. Overnight, chance of increasing clouds up north, maybe a spit or two of rain near the Lake of the Woods area, maybe even into the Red Lakes area. Temperatures to begin our day will be in the 50s, and guess what? It's going to stay in the 50s for many of us, and it's going to be this north wind that will keep a brisk feel to it. Notice our model not showing a lot in the way of clouds, and the smoke should be clearing from north to south throughout the day as well, giving us a little bit more of a blue appearance to that sky, something more typical of our area. Again, a breezy day and blustery with temperatures that will be cool right into your evening when it looks to be ridiculously cold into your Thursday morning. 53 is how we start the day out in Fargo. Ramp temperatures up into the upper 50s, and that's where we'll spend most of the day. We'll kiss 60 degrees, and that's it. So enjoy that. North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour in Fargo. Elsewhere, temperatures in the low to mid 50s in northwest Minnesota. We warm it up a little bit, but only low 60s for our southwestern counties. Here is a shot off the deck. I'd love to dangle my toes in that water. Looks delightful out there. Thanks for uploading your photo. That of Golden Lake here in North Dakota. A frosty start on Thursday. Some low 30s possible near the international border. It looks cold. We'll peak at 60 here in Fargo. Many of us will be in the 50s. We gradually rebound as we head into Friday. And the weekend, hey, it's looking pretty good, as a matter of fact. I can't rule out a sprinkle or two on Saturday, but it's going to be isolated in nature. Sunday, spotty sprinkles, temperatures near 70, which is seasonal for this time of the year, and back to above average weather, Cali, as we head into next week. Look at that, 73 and near those mid 70s by the time we get into Tuesday. All in all, a little bit cool the next couple of days, so have that jacket handy.
It's okay, Hutch. You would not believe how many people say Kaylee.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Thanks so much.